Here is a Hyundai Tucson. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, open up the hatch. Now go ahead and get the physical key out of the key fob, and we need to put it right over there in that slot for the access panel right there, and then pry this access panel off, and off it comes. Now that's the bulb holder for the reverse light. Just grab it and twist it left a little bit, and now it's loose and it comes right out. Grab the bulb and pull it out straight. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in and sits in properly. See, right now it's not sitting in properly because light's coming from there, right there. So when it sits in like this, see, this is good. Now twist your right to lock it, and you are done. Now when you put this access panel back in, the outside edge, yep, this side, this needs to line up properly first, and then you press on the inner side to engage the clips, and that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.